one accessory that Angelina Jolie, Brad Pitt, Katie Holmes or even Preity Zinta will never leave home without on a sunny day. No answers for guessing. Yes, it is their pair of designer sunglasses. An important fashion accessory that makes its way in every fashionista's wardrobe. 60s flavor is back in fashion, and nowhere is the beatnik trend more evident than in the round, thick frames and sometimes crazy colors.
Trends which we see, like last year, we have larger frames, then you have lenses which are more gradient. When I say gradient, these are basically tonal effects. From a top down, the tone dips down, and so your eyes are also visible at the same time. It becomes very stylized. People have played a lot of colors on the temple. Some iconic brands like Ray-Ban have got the retro look back. You have the Wayfarers in colored things. So these are the trends that we see in 2009. But one thing is for sure, you'll definitely find bigger sunglasses this year, and I'm sure the trend will also continue next year.
There's an influx of luxury brands trying to get your attention with these stylish eye candies. And we decided to get the best for the season. Latest trends, new style and lots of factor. Let's start with a brand which has always pushed the boundaries of style, keeping a classic look. Prada. Big size but new shapes for a Prada woman this summer. The butterfly style for that chic look, or a bow-shaped pair of eyes for that trendy statement. While Prada men keep it simple with a metal rim and radiant glass to get a double color effect. While the arm sides are kept minimalistic. This Italian style statement starts at 13,000 onwards. Your shades are definitely low on the bling factor this season, and jewelry brand Bulgari's summer collection explains this even further. The white collection for Bulgari women has just a tinge of bling for that classy touch. But for that exclusivity, the limited edition series always stands out. Swarovski crystals on the side arms with a classic retro feel will definitely make heads turn. Priced at 29,760 rupees. Bulgari men should not feel out of place as they get a new look with half-rim sunglasses. The next brand on the list is the one which wants to have some fun this season. Dolce & Gabbana boasts new and captivating designs that stand out for their elegant, wide and soft models with rounded wraparound shapes, designed for the style-conscious women and men. Funky colors is definitely the highlight for this brand. Now let's talk about a brand which can safely be termed as the most popular brand in the sunglass segment, Ray-Ban. But this season, the classic aviators from the Top Gun era get a new look and feel as the brand becomes even more colorful and retro. This summer, beat the heat in style and also have some fun with your eye candies. The Beach collection by Ray-Ban offers bright bold colors with titanium frames. Minimalistic styling on pure lines with a contemporary feel defines the Sun collection of this classic label. Priced at 5,500 onwards. But big spenders also believes that fashion cannot be followed blindly. It's important to blend this little fashion accessory to your personal style.
See, when you talk about the flavor of the season, I think big bold sunglasses are in and there's lots of color. But keeping that aside, I think one must choose a pair of sunglasses that complements the face. So for example, if you have too small a face, don't follow a trend and get oversized sunglasses. You're just going to end up hiding yourself. So I think while being trendy, go for a color in that case. Be trendy, but pick up something that complements your face. That's what I think.
So this summer, keep the glare of your eyes with some spanking designer sunglasses. But of course, as big spenders always says, keep with the trend and you're sure to be making a style statement.